The rest of the tool, I have a charcoal canister from a 2017 Chevy Impala, and you want to see what's inside. We'll show you what's inside here. This is the bracket that holds it to the vehicle, and this is the wiring harness here. I just clipped it off instead of clipping it from the disconnect. It wouldn't move, so it's gonna clip the wires and reconnect it. But I tried to connect it here, it wouldn't budge for some reason. I'll try it now. Up or down, or just move. Anyway, I popped the cap here, a flathead screwdriver. Pretty dusty. This is right next, almost right behind gas tank. Has a filter in it. So I'm just gonna dump this in some soapy water. And the filter too. I don't do anything with this canister. Blow some air through it. Let it face down that way. I'll take my heat gun and blow some hot air up in there. There's not much to it. Evac charcoal canister. The evac system on this 2017 Chevy Impala. It detaches. There's a wire connector here. It wouldn't come out, so I just clip the wire. It's gonna reconnect it from here to the vehicle, and this just simply plugs in. And you got a bolt that's holding this on a bracket on the side of the like the rear frame, right next to, right pretty to the rear, to the left of the gas tank. Bam. And there you go.